picture agad na nagaganap. O diba, pagdating mo, picture. Gwapo niya! Hala! Uy, ang ganda ng airport nila. Kalamo Hotel. Islamabad International Airport is really beautiful. You have too much exposure on my camera now. Nakikonnect ako sa kanya kasi nakita niya siguro, nahihirapan ako. So, ayan, nagpa-connect naman siya. At hinatid pa ako. Sorry, what's your name again?
Huh?
What's your name again?
Omar Shidad.
Omar Shizad. So, meet Omar Shizad, everybody. So, good evening, citizens of the